Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the font style on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on display. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on font size and style. Now from here, just tap on font style. Now from here, you can select the font style which you like, just like that. And also, if you tap on download fonts, you can download more fonts. For an example, I will download this font. Now just wait for a few seconds for the font to download. Now just tap on it and tap on apply. Now as you can see, we have successfully applied the font on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can change the font style on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.